Hello everyone, it's Robert. Here we are at the end of phase 1 testing. Things are looking pretty good. Just before we dive into it though, shout out to my little nephew Tadeo in Monterrey, Mexico. Hola Tadeo, ¿cómo estás? Chico bueno. Alright, so a couple of things that I've learned. It's hard to see in the video, but for whatever reason, the pool that went in, not level, a little tilted to the back. Also, for whatever reason, conceptually, I didn't dig it in deep enough. But everything comes apart. All the plumbing is garden hose fittings that I had kicking around. We're in the middle of lockdown here, again, third lockdown, so accessing plumbing parts is really difficult. I mean, when you can go to the store and build up your system in the plumbing aisle, it's not bad. When you try to order all those parts and bits online, so I managed to create it from stuff that I had kicking around. Got the river rock in, the river stone, the nice stuff at the bottom to hide some of the blue of the pool. The idea is that once the pool is sunk, there's going to be a bit of cobblestone around the side. Because the other thing I learned, lots of maintenance. You always need to be able to access the thing to do maintenance, right? So I'm always walking this way to the back. The pump has like a bit of a sock filter on it, and it tends to clog up, so it needs regular cleaning. So the idea was put the cobblestone around the side here, and then moss. You see, I can harvest moss like sod, so the moss theoretically will hang over the edge of the pool. Alright, so testing phase 1, everything comes apart, and that's what's going to happen next. I'm going to take it all apart, dig it down, level it up, put it back together. Okay, so let's take a look at the guts of the thing. Not much to it really. I mean, let's get out of the sun here. One of the things that I'm going to need to do is cut down the height of that sump pit a little. I mean, I put the sump pit in the hopes that it would help the pump not get so dirty. This is the chase, the electrical chase, right? So got a bit of a chase put in there for the electrical. Got some underwater lights on order from China, as well as a nozzle. Like this nozzle, that's just garden hose parts kicking around. So I've ordered the nozzle that makes the sort of ball shape laminar flow. And of course, knowing that it's plumbing, it's an installation, you want to be able to take it apart easily, be able to service that pump. And you'll see my hand covering the lens, of course. But here's a look-see at the way that, here's a look-see at the way that sock really clogs up with the silt. Yeah. So that's the sum of it. Now to take it all apart, level it up. I mean, things like this I haven't cut off yet because who knows what we might need. The other feature I should point out probably is flow control valve. Again, it's a garden hose fitting, right? Because I thought you might want to control the flow depending on which fountain nozzle goes in there. So, garden hose fitting, flow control. And who knows, maybe we'll need another outlet for the water, so it's not a terrible idea. Ok, Tadeo, es suficiente trabajo en su fuente de coches para ti. Es suficiente para hoy.